In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename an Amazon wish list. We'll walk through the entire process together, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to effortlessly change the name of any wish list you have on Amazon. This can be particularly handy if you're organizing your lists for different purposes or simply want a fresh start with new names. Let's dive in. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Amazon homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see a section labeled Account and Lists. Go ahead and hover your mouse over this area. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears, offering a variety of options related to your account. Among these options, you should see Your Lists. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in the Your Lists section, you'll have a view of all the wish lists you've created. Take a moment to scan through your lists and identify the one you wish to rename. Once you've found it, click on that specific list. This will open up the contents of the list and display various settings associated with it. From here, keep an eye out for the three dots menu. This menu may also show up as a More option, typically found near the top of the list, towards the right side of your screen. Clicking on this menu will present you with additional list management options. Within these options, locate and select Manage List. This is the gateway to customizing various aspects of your list, including its name. In the Manage List section, you'll be presented with several fields you can edit. Pay special attention to the section labeled List Name. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice your current list name displayed here. To change it, simply click into this section, delete the existing name, and type the new name you'd like to assign to your wish list. Take your time to ensure you spell it exactly as you'd like, because this step finalizes how you'll identify this list moving forward. Once you're satisfied with the new name you've entered, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button, typically found towards the bottom of the page or pop-up window. By clicking this, you confirm the adjustments you've made. With that, you've successfully renamed your Amazon wish list. Renaming lists can be a great way to keep everything organized and aligned with your current needs or projects. Whether you're managing gift ideas, tracking shopping goals, or just sorting out your favorite items, having clear and descriptive names can make a world of difference. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now ready to give your Amazon wish lists the perfect new names. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!